Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gluta Kojic Skin Polish. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry. Use your regular cleanser to wash your face and neck, then gently pat it dry with a soft towel. Having a clean, dry base helps the polish work effectively and ensures an even application. This simple preparation step is crucial for achieving the best possible outcome. Now, let's mix the polish. In your small bowl, combine 1 part Gluta Kojic Skin Polish with 2 parts water. Stir until you have a smooth, consistent paste. Next, apply this paste evenly across your face and neck, being careful to avoid the delicate eye area. Use your fingertips to gently massage the polish into your skin with small, circular motions for about 1 minute. Once applied, let the Gluta Kojic Skin Polish work its magic. Allow it to sit on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the active ingredients time to penetrate and exfoliate. After the waiting period, rinse your face and neck thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure all traces of the polish are completely removed, then gently pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. After rinsing, it's important to follow up with proper skincare. Immediately apply a hydrating moisturizer to replenish and soothe your skin. This helps lock in moisture and maintain skin health. During the day, always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your freshly polished skin from sun exposure. For optimal results, incorporate this polish into your routine 1 to 2 times per week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.